Want to start playing Roblox on your phone? I'll show you how to create your Roblox account in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. To create a new account, first, you'll need to enter your birthday. Select your birth month, day, and year carefully. Your age determines which Roblox features are available on your account. Once you're finished, tap Confirm Birthday. Next, type a username. Try to choose something unique, because every Roblox username must be different. For your privacy, don't use your real name. If the username is available, you can move on. Then select your gender if you'd like and tap Continue. Now it's time to create a password. Enter a strong password that's at least 8 characters long and different from your username. Once you're done, tap Done. Your Roblox account will now be created. Before you start playing, there's one important step you shouldn't skip. To protect your account, tap Add Email or Add Phone Number.